Every model learns by minimizing a loss. But which loss? The one you choose secretly decides what kinds of mistakes your model is willing to make. For predicting numbers, you have two classics. Mean squared error squares each mistake, so a single big outlier dominates everything. Mean absolute error just takes the size of each miss. Calmer and far more robust to outliers. But classification is different. There, cross-entropy rules. It barely cares when you are right, but punishes you brutally for being confident and wrong. The surer your mistake, the steeper the penalty. So there is no single best loss. Squared and absolute error fit regression. Cross-entropy fits probabilities. Hinge loss carves clean margins. Each one bakes in a different definition of failure. Choose the loss that matches the mistakes you fear most. That choice quietly shapes everything the model becomes.